If your 2024 Chevy Corvette C8 displays a no key found message despite the key fob being inside, you're likely dealing with a dead or malfunctioning fob. This video provides a bypass method to start your Corvette in such situations. We'll cover the necessary steps to get you back on the road quickly. The no key found error occurs when your car's system cannot detect the key fob signal. This happens due to several common reasons that we'll explore. First, a dead battery in the key fob prevents it from transmitting the signal needed to start the car. Second, radio frequency interference from nearby electronic devices can disrupt the fob's signal. Third, a malfunctioning key fob with damaged internal components may fail to work properly. The dashboard warning lights guide can help identify this error among other vehicle issues. This bypass procedure provides a temporary solution until you can replace the fob battery or have the fob repaired. The correct procedure to start the vehicle with a dead key fob can be found in your Corvette's owner's manual. Always refer to your manual first. You can find a PDF version online if you don't have the physical copy. Search for starting the vehicle with a low transmitter battery or similar keywords. First, you must locate the steering column location. Examine the surface on the right side of the steering column. In the event that your transmitter battery is low or the transmitter is not working, it may be necessary to place the transmitter in the steering column location. This will allow you to start and operate your vehicle. The symbol will be present on the steering column. Now for step 2. Carefully insert the end of the key fob opposite of the key ring side into the steering column location. Keep the front of the transmitter on the specified surface and ensure the Chevrolet emblem on the fob is facing the start button. With the fob held in the designated steering column location, press the Start/Stop button on the dashboard. Hold the fob in place while pressing the button. The vehicle should now start. If it doesn't start on the first try, repeat the process, ensuring the fob is correctly positioned. If the vehicle still doesn't start, try replacing the fob battery. Ensure the new battery is correctly installed. Also, keep the fob away from other electronic devices that could cause interference. If problems persist, consult a certified Chevrolet technician. This bypass allows you to start your Corvette with a dead fob. However, it's crucial to replace the fob battery or have the fob professionally diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible. This method is only a temporary fix. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific details related to your Corvette's model year.